Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn question number 6b. It is speech writing. Means how to write the speech. It is very important because last lecture we have seen about views, contour views, and there is means option question for these views and contour views speech writing means B2. B1 is views, contour views, and B2 is speech writing. Okay, means this question, how to attempt this question? This question is very easy to write because whatever you are giving the speech in front of the audience, like this way only you want to write the speech, and that's why it is easy to write. But you have to use their appropriate means grammar, structure, or your language should be means lucid. Okay, you can means appropriate sequence also very necessary, and with this if you means keep these points in mind, then it is easy to write speech writing. Then see means how to attempt this question. This activity involves writing a formal paragraph. Okay, it is a means into you have to write into paragraph, means you are not, because speech writing we are giving in front of audience, but here you want to write this speech, okay, in a form of paragraph on the topic, whatever topic given for the speech. And then second is the objective of a speech is to express and convey your options, okay, views, knowledge and thoughts to an audience. It also helps to enhance one's oratory skill. Means whatever your oratory skills you are enhance in the here to this means to try this question you are means it enhance to oratory skills, because it is really a because it is speech. Then begin with an address to the audience, such as means when you are going to address the audience, means how you are starting the speech writing. For example, ladies and gentlemen, my dear teachers and friends, respected principal, beloved teachers, and my dear friends. Means like this way you can use the means, or you can use also respected podium. Okay, and means you can address like this way, means questions like this way means beginning of the speech, means it should be appropriate for the audience that you are addressing. Means it should be appropriate, whatever in front of you, which type of audience is there, it should be appropriate to this audience. Then next, your statements must be directly addressed to the audience and can contain rhetorical questions. Your statements means whatever you are going to write the statement, that should be directly addressed to the audience and can contain rhetorical questions. Means you are asking the rhetorical, you can use the rhetorical questions. Okay, means to ask the audience. Means for example, means you can use yes no type of question also, but here answer is not expected from the audience. You are only using these means questions for your means that improve your means that writing skill or speech. Okay, design the speech. The language should be formal and the tone serious. The language, it should be formal. Okay, it is not informal language, it is formal language, and the tone of the language also serious. Okay, means don't write there any means you are not giving this speech for the it is not a fun. Okay, you can write this means that tone of the speech, it should be serious, it must be serious. You will be given points, questions, news items, etc. as guidelines. In some points are given there, some questions. For example, my ambition in my life. Okay, or means whatever you celebrate your Independence Day, you are giving the speech. Okay, for Children's Day or Science Day, like this way, or there is importance of reading. Okay, importance of reading, or live. Then other points are there: how to live a happy and joyful life, or what are the basis of life. Like this way subjects are given there, means that conservation of water, means like this way subjects will given there. You want to express this in your speech. Okay, end up with the salutations such as Jai Hind, thank you, and okay, means you can use this means at the salutation words. Jai Hind, thank you. Okay, and means whatever your occasion. For example, Independence Day, whatever occasion, means you can end with that Jai Hind. Or if there is Republic Day, Jai Hind. Okay, and means or thank you sometime you can use, and means whatever the suitable occasion you can use these words. Like this way, this if you with the help of means keep this point in mind and write your develop your speech. Okay, then you will get their marks, and you have to if you using appropriate beginning and conclusion, you will get there 1 mark. And whatever body of speech means points, whatever points given, if you explain these points in your speech, and some additional points you have to add with the appropriate use of language, then you will get there 2 marks. And appropriate sequence and flow of language 1 mark, and use of appropriate grammar structure 1 mark. Means all these point means must be considered there, and then only you will get their marks. Okay, like this way you have to write the speech. Okay, see, means some speech means question I will be give you 2 marks. Okay, and also means use counter views and transfer the information. I will send these questions on group. Okay, thank you.